Hello dear Hana Home Decor family. Today's video is a beautiful revelation about black, bold and charming black farmhouse kitchen. Imagine walking through a cozy charm of farmhouse styled with the deep thematic allure of black, with an amazing blend of rustic charm and modern sophistication. The black cabinets are complemented by the surrounding elements, including natural wood accents and carefully selected lighting fixtures. Matte black cabinetry offers a stylish, enduring choice for a modern farmhouse. To balance the darkness of the cabinets, lighting becomes an essential element. In this video, you can see a mix of pendant lights over the kitchen island and rustic chandeliers that pull the entire look together. For farmhouse kitchens, lighting is typically warm, creating the welcoming feel of the space. Next important element is the countertops. In any black farmhouse kitchen, in this design, countertops play a crucial role as both a central workspace and a visual anchor that draw the eyes. These countertops are crafted with rich, dark wood selected specifically to complement the black, bold cabinetry. Dark wood tones work excellently in farmhouse kitchens, offering a natural contrast to the black while adding a sense of warmth. When it comes to the backsplash, we see another interesting choice, a dark textured subway tile. This has a slight gloss just enough to catch the light and create dimension against the matte black cabinets, resulting in a subtle yet stylish look. This is a beautiful display of texture and color, especially in a monochromatic space like this black farmhouse kitchen. As we come towards dining room, you will notice that the dramatic black theme continues, creating a cohesive flow between the spaces. These dining tables are crafted with reclaimed wood stained in a dark, rich tone that ties in with the kitchen cabinetry. We love hearing your thoughts about your home decor. Stay tuned for more inspiring transformations. May this season your home be filled with warmth, style, and a touch of rustic charm. Thank you for staying with us and happy decorating your home.